today we are gonna solve the problems from LeetCode 75. We have solved all the problems from the previous topics, the first problem from the previous topics, and now we are gonna solve the first problem from backtracing. So backtracing is a very good kind of a very strong algorithm which is used for solving very heavy tasks, such like for tasks like solving Sudoku and n queen problem and multiple heavy tasks. We are using backtracing. Now this is a medium type of problem, and the problem is we have given a number digit from 2 to 9, right? So we have given a digits like this, and we have to return all the possible strings which can be made using these digits. So with 2 and 3 we can make A D A E A F, then B D B E B F, and similarly C D C E C F. With digit nothing we cannot make anything. With digit 2 we can make A B C. So this is the similar problem. This is the problem. So let's solve this problem. So let's see how can we solve this problem, right? So there are multiple ways, right, to solve this problem, but we want to use backtracing now. Tracing. So we can use what you can do is so let's just solve this problem now. After that we will write what we have done. So first we have to make a dictionary, right, which is nothing but a dictionary. So I hope some dictionary will be present here. Yeah, this is it. So this is the dictionary, right? Now we have a string with a empty string, right? We have an answer which is an empty array. Now for character for digit in digits, right? Characters are nothing but dictionary of this is ORD digit minus ORD 0. So digit is a character. Now it's not an integer, so we have find characters, right? And what I'll do, let's make a helper function, right? Tab helper. So helper is nothing. Helper have nothing but self. We have our initial string. We have an answer array, right? I will do. We have digits and we have I, right? If I greater than equals to length of digits, right? Return. We'll return nothing, right? So if we have iterated over all the i's, we will return. So I 0. So character is nothing but digits I. Okay, now for so all characters na chars for ch in chars, right? Character is nothing but digit I, not digit I, but this. Right. So for ch in char, right, st will be added with st will be added with character, right? That character. Then what we'll do helper again. We will so it's a self.helper. Helper again. We'll send st. We will send answer. We'll send digits, and we have added any character from this first digit, right? So we will send I plus 1, right? And then what we'll do, we will st dot pop or st minus 1. We will remove that character. So this is a backtracing. We will add something in the answer, we will process that, and we will remove that, and we'll process the next thing. So this is the backtracing, and after completion we will return. So this is how we are going to do. This is answer, this is a string. So what we'll do, we have helper. So this is nothing but self.helper. Helper has string, this st.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.
LeetCode. I thought you slept by seeing your leg.
Digits and I is equals to 0 now. Just at any time we will return answer. Getting a wrong answer. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, we'll make st plus character. Still getting wrong answer, guys. 3. Let's print this. Index out of range. Okay. This is 2333 and why it is not going 2 again? Why is not appending anything to the output? Okay, if I is greater than length, right? If we have completed this, so answer will be appended with string. So that is also one case. Okay, so we have to see if length of digit to digits equals to 0, we will return nothing. We have to yeah guys, so this is getting solved. Let's submit this. Yeah, so this is getting solved 100% beat. I hope you understand this problem and this solution also. Thank you for your time. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.